All right, we picked our first pumpkin. Yeah, have found our second pumpkin. Next clip should be showing y'all what we're carving into it, so be ready for that. We're gonna carve a pumpkin, and yeah, here with my brother Peyton, and Plain Trades back in the video. You ever carved a pumpkin?
White.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a minute. You know what, we'll just show y'all when we have this on, so every step of the way we'll show y'all it, alright? Peyton had to take over and couldn't finish the job. First step done.
Pumpkin's so weird.
It's so warm and musty in here.
I'm gonna eat some seeds.
It is hot though.
It's really musty and like humid in there.
Ugh, it is humid.
Alright, so now we're gonna just do 2 eyes and a mouth unless somebody wanna do eyebrows or something. No?
Eyes in the mouth good.
Alright, I'll do 1 eye. You'll do 1 eye.
I'll do the nose.
Oh no, I forgot about the nose. Alright, now we're trying to cut some eyes out. So, I really don't know how to do this. I'm not good at anything artistic.
You should do the nose first to get the eyes right.
Yeah, you wanna do the nose?
Yeah, let's go. All right.
There we go. Alright, there's the nose, it's gone. Stab, 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 stab,
O.J.
stab,
Simpson
stab,
type
stab. Stab, stab,
Alright,
stab.
now.
Nice.
Oh, let me do this.
Kind of ooh, he looks fucking stupid.
You can see like
Smoke
you can
it,
see
too.
like Jesus. I'm so bad at this.
This is all we have to light the candle inside. There we go.
Boom.
Thank you, mother. Look at this guy. Oh yeah, that's crazy.
All right, y'all. As you can see, we done. It's the homie Glenn right here.
It took quite a while to get this done. We spent a lot of time on it, but we got good old Glenn here. That's what we named him. What do you think? What are your thoughts on Glenn?
Yeah, he took a lot longer than we were expecting, and we didn't do too good. I did the eyes; they're very not even. But yeah, this is the homie Glenn, and I guess we'll put him on the front porch for today. Hudson?
Hudson.
What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Oh, man.
Oh no! What is that?
Glenn?
Yeah,
Yeah, Glenn.
We named
I've
him
got
Glenn.
a little friend for Glenn. Her name's Lucille.
God, it's like
Wait.
The Walking Dead.
We're gonna put her on the porch.
Get out of the way.
We're gonna put her on the porch.
Get out of the way.
No.
Get out of
Don't hurt Glenn.
Just get out of the way. Alright? Listen.
Who are you, Negan?
Listen. Just listen. He needs to be put out of his misery anyways. Frankly. Alright? Alright.
Okay, Negan.
Shit.
Oh God.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Fuck Lucille.
Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come outside, I got the info. Took her to the end zone from the end zone. Know I love to smoke, you love to lick more. Wanna hit the jack, then what you call for? All that out your name shit, that ain't called for.
Okay, so today, guys, we are going to this haunted, supposedly haunted place. I believe it's haunted. I've heard so many stories of friends going and stuff. So we're going to this place called Goatman's Bridge in Denton, Texas, and we're gonna see what spooky stuff can come upon us. I've been waiting for this for a while. So yeah, let's get to it. Y'all got any things to say about it? Have
Yes.
y'all ever been there?
We are going on like the first actual cold day in Texas.
Yeah.
So it just adds to the spooky factor.
Our bodies are already gonna be like kind of, you know, anxious and locked up. So we're probably gonna get scared shitless today.
I'm
I
really
went there once and smelled fresh spray paint, and then we ran away.
I'm really trying to like intimidate the demon. Like, What's up?
Wasn't it like the story? Isn't it like some farmer? Or something?
Yeah, it's either there's
Farmer
two
got
stories.
hung from the bridge.
Yeah, it's there's either
And it was
this
racially
black,
motivated.
Yeah, there's this black goat farmer who got hung
Yeah.
by the KKK, or there's just a demon running around.
In the forest.
Either or.
Oh.
Bro,
Someone just threw a candy.
you're so
Hey.
bad. You're so bad.
What? It
Again,
was my left hand. I'm right-handed.
again.
All right.
Bone power. That's a great way to end
First
it.
time, baby.
We're now stopped because some idiot got in a wreck. Prayers to
Haunting
this
number
man.
one.
Prayers to this man or woman, but how do you get
probably
over
me.
there?
This is the goat man trying to stop us.
I know.
That's what I'm
We're
saying.
like,
what if this is like other powers trying
like-
to stop us?
He's
from
not the
doing
goat man.
Like, there do be stories like that. Where the cops are like, what is that?
We're YouTubers. Get used to it,
Hey,
Copper.
we're just YouTubing this wreck. Hey, you got your glow stick? How about you guide us?
She got
We've been sitting there for 10 minutes.
So why you start talking like Bane?
Hey, let us through. Or you will regret it. You won't tell who I was till you got out of the way.
did the tripod.
Light up lightning. Somebody took that man's I have epilepsy. I wish I had the PA system. You get out of the way.
Pull over, please. Just-
Man, can you please move all your damn cars into the side of the road so I can get to the Goat Man's bridge?
We're trying to be haunted.
We're trying to summon a demon from hell. Can you get out of the way?
Anyways.
A very important mission from Putin, and you are getting in the way. I will start running through these cars if I am not out there in 5 minutes.
I'm undercover spy for Russian government.
Move. I have a meeting with Donald Trump today, and you need to get out of the way.
The KGB says move. Pussy bitch.
Hey, Justin here. I'm built different. Move. Actually,
Get out of the truck, Justin. Yeah. Yes, go tell them what's up.
I'm built different. I'm built different. I'm built different. Imagine if I walked up to the cop. Hey, move. I'm built different.
Just us pushing the truck inside.
Hey, what the fuck happened here?
Peyton just lifts that bitch up and throws it into the woods. Alright, it's out the way, now move.
Hey, I'm built different.
You have COVID, dog.
You good?
I'm dying.
He has COVID.
You got the Rona?
What you coughing from, Chief?
You know what?
Pin 19.
Give us the voice.
Why'd you have to move?
Can you guys please get the fuck out of the way?
Hey, get out the way. Justin says I'm built different.
Look, the tow truck's moving.
Yeah, get the fuck out of the way.
Oh.
It's over.
We-
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Goddamn time. We appreciate you.
Hey.
Rock on, brother. Oh, shit. Gotta put it in drive.
It's 12. It's 12. It's 12.
Fuck
It's
12! Yeah, 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 yeah!
What's his window?
Yeah.
There's a window.
I think you're on meth.
He's gonna turn this thing right
He starts flashing his lights. It's like, sir, are you on crack cocaine by chance?
You're just like, yeah, yeah, yeah,
I was like, Uzi on bad emoji.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Just look at him and start fucking.
You are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. A weird item, what could play? I was like, baby, 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 always, baby, 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 no, like, baby, baby.
When I was 13, I had my first love. There was no
nobody that compared to my baby, and nobody came between us, no could ever come above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck.
So we have made it here to Goodman's Bridge in Denton, Texas, and I guess everybody else had our same idea. It's pretty busy here right now, so let's get it. See some haunted shit's going on.
Yeah, I think we came up like on a cult gathering. They're howling. Maybe like sacrificial stuff.
I don't know. I hopped out the car. First thing I heard was people howling, and then I heard they said sacrifice. That's literally the first thing I heard. Oh God.
Oh, brother. What? Oh, shit.
Daddy poop.
What the fuck?
It's like the beginning of Feel Good Inc. by Gorillaz. I'm Justin, and welcome to my ghost documentary. Today we're gonna see what ghosts are built different. Casper is indeed built different. Oh God! I almost fell.
Where you at, Hudson? This is interesting. Oh God, I can't see. He's blind. I'm blinded by the whites.
Which way we going?
The scary way. Where's the goat man? I don't see Tom Brady anywhere.
Shut the fuck up.
Where's the goat man? I don't see LeBron James anywhere.
We at this haunted car wash place in Midlothian. Oh yeah, about to get it. Oh yeah. This line is ridiculous, bro. What? This is for a fucking car wash.
I drove right up myself.
Oh no, dude, this is fucking horrible.
Yeah, this is packed as fuck, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, they're gonna do a shitty job on washing. Fuck the wash, just let us drive through. Dude, this line is ridiculous. Cars that way, they go this way, that way, they go that way, and then they go through there into this place. We with Cole though. Say what's up. I don't even know if you can see Peyton. You can see his face kind of. Oh,
Here we go.
it's lit. This dude's opening their doors, bro.
It's not like we haven't even bought tickets or like signed any waivers. So like the fact that he's just going up and opening people's doors and look, he tried to open their door.
Hey, I'm suing.
Like you can like, bro, who, like it's not like you own the property. Look at this guy just opening doors. Oh shit.
Who are you?
Trying to open doors again. Oh, here he goes.
Hey, pal.
Give us a little dance. Oh yeah.
Got a blast.
Give us a little dance.
Can you hit a little dance for us? What is this? What are you trying to Unlock button doesn't work, pal.
Bro, he just unlocked it. I'm gonna start screaming something.
Check this shit out. That's fucking hilarious.
Oh yeah.
Mike Tyson and Roy Jones Jr. both said that they're gonna try to kill each other in the fight.
Kill each other?
Yeah.
Who? What the fuck?
Mike Tyson and
I guess that's the only way it's legal.
How's it going, bud?
What's up, my guy? I like the mask.
$15, right?
No fucking clue.
I thought you worked here.
lines. It's like
Just don't touch the car. Oh, you motherfucker. It's not $15 anymore. I'm bopping this dude on the forehead. What, man?
he's literally proving my point of being a
Spit
furry.
on me, dude. Come on.
Furry. Such a furry.
What a furry.
What a furry.
Cute little werewolf, aren't you? What kind of bark is that, dude? Can you imagine that being your job? Just walking around, hey, just walk around and bark at people. You're not even doing a good job. You're not even doing a good job.
The Attention, while in the tunnel, please stay in neutral. Do not brake. You hear that? Brake.
Oh shit, dude.
Get it.
I have cash.
Wait,
Thank you.
do it. Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
Just remember that boulder over there, like the little.
I know, I almost hit it last time.
A lot of people do.
Got some expensive wheels on here. don't want to curve them.
Look at this clown. We're going in hot.
Dude fucking put it in reverse.
You see that?
Threw it, dude. He threw that bitch in reverse.
Forgot how
Fucking
to,
whack ass.
they forgot how to do the car washing part of their job.
Oh no, he got off track. Fucking dumbass.
Oh my god, I can't even see.
Fucker. Don't touch my fucking truck.
Those handprints better be washed off in the car wash.
You can't even see this motherfucker barely. You gotta turn up the ISO.
God, what if like the whole window just shatters?
Dude, I'll beat the bitch out of you, dog. Fuck out of here. Fucking fuck this bitch.
Like open it and it starts.
What, bitch?
You can see the handprints.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Handprints everywhere.
Sweaty
Get that
hands.
bullshit out of here, dude. Told him they need to have some fucking gloves made of microfiber.
Bro, facts.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all fuck. He's a bit. You can't even
Look at
see
this
in
guy.
front.
Look, he's gonna try and scare me. See you, you little fuck. Some shit. Ah, bitch. Here you go.
Oh, I gotta piss now.
No, it's gonna fold my mirrors in. What? That one's definitely going to. No, it's not. No? Wow. Dude, I'm gonna get really close and get scared the fuck out of me.
Somebody comes up to you, you're right
Like
there.
this, just. Oh shit! Look, watch.
Oh, there's another guy.
Shut up, dude. Bunch of pussies.
Well, they're gonna keep, if they keep touching the car, they're gonna be like a waste of a wash.
Exactly. That's what they touched it like right here, bro. What is
Oh! Oh.
See, look at that.
Why are you touching the car if you just
Touch it,
cleaned
dog.
You absolute idiot.
Well, how was that, everyone?
That's a fun old scary time. They kept touching the track.
Alright, guys. Thank you all for watching the video. And we couldn't upload yesterday, so we're trying, which was Halloween, so we're uploading today, which is the 1st, or that's the plan. And the plan was to do a 1-year vlog anniversary, but now Hudson has the Rona, and he can't film with us. So let's pray for Hudson and his family, because I'm pretty sure more than just him have it. So yeah, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe if y'all don't, and turn on that notification bell to let y'all know when we upload next. Alright, thanks y'all.
Spooky sister, she thought she gon' throw it back. Halloween in my cup, bitch, we off the egg. I'm that nigga, don't forget, all you do is yap. SUR, we the team, yeah, we on the map. Spooky sister, she thought she gon' throw it back. Halloween in my cup, bitch, we off the egg. I'm that nigga, don't forget, all you do is yap. SUR, we the team, yeah, we on the map. Damn, finna make a movie like it's Cinemax and